Hello everyone. In this electronic age and internet era, students are rarely have time to get bored. But what if you are tired of all your gadgets and want to try something recreational and rejuvenating? In this video, we talk about how to get rid of boredom by practicing some interesting activities. These days, most of us are under house arrest due to national-wide lockdown imposed by the government to prevent the spread of disastrous coronavirus epidemic. At such time, students can be seen as most anxious as they have no classes, games or sport. Although technology has made our life easier as well as entertaining. However, sometimes it is a lack of interest that we feel bored even after being occupied by electronic gadgets. Boredom is actually an opportunity for you to improve your life in some or other way. A student's mission should be to make the best use of this leisure time and other resources spent in learning to create value for oneself and to society. Here are 8 things a student should do if he or she is getting bored. So let's start. Number 1. Reading all new stuff. The first thing you should do is reading. Read and read a lot. Study about something you find exciting. Change the genre of books you usually read, not just fiction. Try to read the autobiography of famous and inspirational personalities like those of APJ Abdul Kalam, Jawaharlal Nehru, and Barack Obama. Number 2. Learn new things. Craft, paintings, or maybe sculpturing. Next, you could take up a craft like crocheting, knitting, or loom knitting. This is simple. Look up Nifty Knitter on Google and it will show you what it is. Get some yarn, learn how to make hats and donate them to the homeless and person in need. Giving back to the community where you live helps reduce boredom and give a shot of pleasure. Number 3. Open your artistic side. Get some coloring books and colors. It's a good way to open up the artistic side of yourself, and it is fun. Express your thoughts and fantasies with pen and brush. Believe me, drawing and painting is the most suiting way of helping your brain evacuate all the junk and refresh for all new learning. Number 4. Sing, dance and explore new tunes. These can be the best activities to keep you fresh and enthusiastic. Open yourself to better things in the world and realize that there's more to life than what you have. Learn a new form of dance from YouTube, sing a favorite song, record, listen and share with your friends. Believe me, this will be all fun. If you have any musical instrument at home, then it's the best time to play with it. Learn to play with new tunes. Hopefully, you will discover something to do that will take away your boredom. Number 5. Make realistic goals. Think about future plans. Yes, this is the most important and helpful thing to remove the boredom. Ask yourself about what your aim is and what exactly you are doing in order to achieve your goals. For a student, time is the most valuable resource. Thus, one has to identify the most important tasks that add value to one's education and focus on them. You should try to set aside a specific period during the day or night when the energy levels are high to perform the most important tasks. Make a foolproof plan for your career, reaching the goal and achieving the feat. Start working. Identify your strengths, your weakness, your hobbies. Find out where you want to be in 10 years down the line. Number 6. Make some travel plans for future. Though at this time, you should not even think of stepping out of your home, but you can think about it for future vacations. You can make a list of places you would want to visit during your winter vacation. You can read about your favorite destinations. It will make you ecstatic. Number 7. Meditate. This is the biggest stress reliever given the fact that we people have to deal with a lot of stress daily in our life. Our brain is mostly like a boiling pressure cooker and it definitely needs rest so that the body can rejuvenate and heal itself for oncoming activities. Number 8. Talk to people. We are social beings, we need to talk to people. Start conversations online, even with strangers, but in constructive manner. When you interact with people you don't know, you get the chance to break out of your comfort zone and changes your view of reality altogether. This can spark creative ideas, give you new ideas to think about, and plenty more, and in the end you will get a new friend. These are the most interesting things student can do to escape boredom during house arrest. Do subscribe if you find my videos useful, and do click bell icon after subscribing, or else you will miss my videos and its notification. Like if you find it knowledgeable and useful. Don't forget to comment. Let me know which of these interesting things are you doing to escape boredom during this house arrest. Share this video with your friends and family, even they learn this useful knowledge, and my channel also gets support. Finally, thanks for watching.